Oh my gosh, there it is. Good mornings or buenos dias. I have finally arrived. This is the one place I was really looking forward to going to. So we're finally here. It's super early in the morning. I think it's like at least 7 something or almost 7. Everyone's getting their shower and we're about to get ready to eat breakfast and then leave and go and do some stuff on the island. It sucks that we have to leave here at like 2:30. We have to be back on the ship at like 2:30. That's kind of weird, but I guess that's what it is. If you really want to see the island, you have to like fly there and get one of those type of experiences. You can see everyone getting off now, and I wish I was one of those people that was getting off, but we will be soon. Alright guys, so we are back from Amber Cove. We visited Puerto Plata. We went to a beach over there. We didn't really go to the beach, to be honest. We just went to get something to eat at the restaurant. We had like wings and fries because we only had an hour to spend there. We visited like a plantation, saw different plants and some animals and how they, like a rum distillery. That's about it. The roads are really nice here, and it has definitely confirmed my decision to make this like a birthday trip, because a few hours here is just not enough. So it's really nice, and I can't wait to come back. And it's something, you know, like an all-inclusive resort is what we have to visit in order to really enjoy and get the experience of this place, because it was really nice. So can't wait to come back and see what this place really has to offer with the different beaches. He said the beach that he went to isn't really the best beach, but it was the closest because we're crunched on time. That's okay. It's like 2:50 now. We're supposed to be back on board at 2:30, and people are still kind of rushing on the boat. While we were here, the Carnival Elation was here, and that's it right over there. They were with us today, and tomorrow is my day, so hopefully I get to visit Serenity. That was a long one. They're letting them know we about to leave, about to head out. Thought I was gonna be at Serenity's Spa, or not really Serenity's Spa, but like the adult Serenity area. But the weather just sucks right now. I think it's like 70 something degrees, and it's been like 80s, 90s this whole trip. And of course on our last sea day, it's gloomy. So they said that they expect the weather to improve. I just don't know when. It's raining, it's cloudy, it's just no sun in sight. And I'm on the balcony, snuggled up.
I can't believe my mom is sleeping outside. I'll get a closer look. That's it. That's my mom's sleeping. Bye.
We're on our way to dinner. It's full. Yeah. sausage and mushroom. Sasha ordered a hamburger or a cheeseburger, and I'm not sure what my parents ordered. But they are right down here. Got a little Moscato to settle the food, and we'll see how it looks when it comes out and how it tastes once we actually get it. So, I told them. Sasha's tearing up that bread. What did you get? Mom got the pork chop that she's gotten every night. Pretty much. She's come for dinner. What did Daddy get? His daddy got fancy and he got the mahi mahi. So each of us got something a little bit different, and we will see how it looks and how it tastes. Sean, what is that?
Strawberry pina colada.
That looks delicious. Getting fancy there. She gave her dinner a 10. That means it was popping. But I think she got most of the points from the pina colada. We're gonna go to bed tonight. Tomorrow we have to leave. We already put our luggage out and we will pick it up on our way off the ship. It's a sad day. Tomorrow all we'll have time for is breakfast and then we are out of here. Can you guess what time it is? It's tea time.
No, it's hot chocolate time.
It's tea time.
It's hot chocolate time.
I had to have some tea before we left.
I had to have some hot
Normally,
chocolate.
it's like a tradition for us to have pizza the night before we leave. But this time, it's tea time.
Hot chocolate time.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning, guys. It's a sad day. It's day 6 and it's time for us to get off the ship. Well, not really time for us to get off the ship. It's 6:30 and we don't get off until like 9:30, 10 o'clock. We're pulling up to the Carnival Liberty now. That's what's right behind me. I have that, I went on that ship back in October, so if you want to see that video, it is up on my channel, or I'll link it down below. This is a pretty short Bahamas cruise, and now we're gonna get breakfast soon and then await our departure, or debarkation. Oh man, we're back to these things. I completely forgot all about them for like 5 days, and now we're back with the love bugs. How fun. We found out that this particular ship, the Carnival Sunshine, will not be docking in Port Canaveral. This is actually the last time that the ship will be in Port Canaveral. It's from here, it's going straight to Charlotte, and that's where it will be leaving from. It'll be its new port home from now on.
Bye. Thanks for cruising.
Bye. We'll see you on the next vlog.
We're leaving now, and I met Dewey. It was so nice to meet her. She's so sweet.
I'm gonna miss
my
you.
new friend. Hope to see her one day in Bali.
Yeah,
right.
Bali,
And then
yeah.
I can get a whole traditional outfit and everything. It's nice meeting you. See you. Bye.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.